Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I've got another unboxing to show you. This is from the Quilted Cow, and it's my first time getting this. Let's see what's in here. Let's take a look at what's in the Quilted Cow subscription box. This subscription box is $60 a month. And we have, you can see that there is a quilt project. You can either make the pillow or placemats with what's in this kit here. And you receive two patterns, one for the pillow and one for the placemats. Nice little cards. There is, let's see, this is Beyond Fiber Wash and Beyond Soft. This is a anti-static conditioning bath, and this is the ultimate in everyday care and preservation. So these are things I can try out. Let's see. It says removes odors and soils, rinses easily, leaves no residue, non-yellowing, no filters, no harsh ingredients. This one is for anti-static conditioning on fabrics and knitwear. It leaves fabrics soft and fresh, anti-static benefits, rinses easily and thoroughly, and it's for hand washing or in the machine. So I will try those out. These are some needles by Nifty Needles by Lori Holt. I'm not sure if these are for hand sewing. We'll open it up and find out. Okay. Maybe I'll open it up. Okay. Found that out. Oh. That's for hand sewing. Okay. Was not sure. There's some Metler thread, black thread, to go with the quilt project. This is a magnetic pin holder, and it's called Flower Power by Lori Holt. That's cute. And I use pin holders, magnetic pin holders, all the time. So I like that. Cindy Seam Ripper, the best little unpicker. I don't know if I've used one like this. I think I already have one. I'll have to look. So I'm not going to open this in case I want to save it for a giveaway or something. But this is by Riley Blake. And you just put it on your finger. Use it. And I use a seam ripper all the time. Then I received this bundle of fabrics. Perfect for Christmas. And first of all, there's a nice big piece of this mitten, little red mitten fabric. Let me see how much they gave us. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much fabric there is. There's quite a bit. This is a good sized piece. This is a little over a yard of fabric, which would be perfect for the back of the pillows or the placemats. Then we have a piece of white, and it's only, let's see, about 9 inches wide. And there's another small piece of red snowflakes. Pretty. And there's this one. Cute. It's got the little snowman on a black background. And that is about 12 inches. And this is the panel. And you can see, hopefully you can see, cute little snowmen with chickadees on their hat. And then here's another grouping of them. So there are 6 squares that you could use for pillows. You could make a couple pillows and still make placemats. And you can use these fabrics and then add some more from your stash. So I think this is a pretty cool box. I like it. I like this fabric. I really like the panel, all the different fabrics. So let me know what you think of this box. Is this something that you would buy? I decided to go ahead and make one of the projects. And I decided the pillow would be kind of fun to make. Actually, here it is. This is the size it is. Turned out really cute. So I only used one of the panels. I have 5 more left of these that I could use for, I think, for placemats or maybe some smaller pillows. This is a little big for our couch, but I think I'm going to make it into a table topper because we use table toppers all the time. There's plenty of fabric left over. I could actually make another one. I think I was supposed to use this for the background, and I forgot all about it. So I might do another one and use this. And then this fabric will be for the backing and for the binding. I like it. What do you think? I'll be back when I have it quilted. Okay, so here was the pattern for the pillow. And I decided to make a table topper. Yeah, I think that will be cute. Look at the back. It's all quilted. You really can't see it. There it is again. What I did is I forgot to use the white with the red dots. My brain was just thinking that they didn't include that. So I used a white fabric. And then also, if I was going to do it again, I think for the binding, it would have been better if I'd have used the red snowflake. So it would have gone together, but I like it. I like it. And still have all of this fabric left and 5 more panels of the snowmen. So I may end up making some of the placemats, but maybe change it out a little bit and add my own fabric for the backgrounds. But all in all, this was it was a fun project. Cute snowman block. So I hope you enjoy seeing it.